Today, I'm gonna teach you a jaw-dropping Chinese slang. This is how you can blend in. Let's learn how to say I'm starved to death or I'm starving, focusing on death. 死 Please repeat after me. 死死死死 Therefore, I'm starving or I'm starved to death is 饿死我了 Please repeat after me. 饿死我了饿死我了饿死我了 Now, a little bit faster. 饿死我了饿死我了饿死我了 Let's practice this new slang and review what we have learned so far. I'm starving. I want to eat an apple, a banana, some grapes, some watermelon, an orange, a peach, and some strawberries. Delicious. I'm full. Please repeat after me. 饿死我了我想吃一个苹果一条香蕉一些葡萄一些西瓜一个橙子一个桃子和一些草莓好吃我饱了 Now let's go a little bit faster. Please repeat after me. 饿死我了我想吃一个苹果一条香蕉一些葡萄一些西瓜一个橙子一个桃子和一些草莓好吃我饱了 Now, I'm gonna say them all together. Please listen carefully. 饿死我了我想吃一个苹果一条香蕉一些葡萄一些西瓜一个橙子一个桃子和一些草莓好吃我饱了 Now it's your turn. Remember to practice with emotion. Have fun. Well done. 好样的 See you tomorrow. 明天见 I've spent lots of time, energy, and efforts into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina. No boring grammar. Or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.